At HealthEquity, we are the largest provider of HSA accounts, flexible savings accounts, reimbursement accounts, and COBRA and commuter benefits in the United States.
At HealthEquity, remarkable experience is one of our top strategic priorities. So we've partnered with Presidio to make sure that every AI tool that we build, we are doing it with a lens that it'll improve the service for our members and clients.
Presidio's job in helping us do that is be that trusted advisor, that trusted partner as we go and select our tools and technologies to deliver on that ambition, that vision, and that transformation.
We sat down with HealthEquity a couple of years ago and did an interaction process automation workshop. And in that workshop, we had conversations with their executive team, their technical IT team, and sat behind agents and supervisors to really understand the business and what they're doing and how they're doing it. And we came up with a bunch of recommendations on how to improve efficiency. And with that, one of the key takeaways was leveraging a virtual agent.
In terms of our contact center, before AI capabilities, everything we'd done was more menu-driven, more dial tone-driven, and less about the conversation and less about getting at what the member or a customer needed to do. When I sat down with the Presidio team to have a conversation about moving to Google CCAI for our IVA and moving away from IVR, the conversation quickly pivoted to how do we coexist with our existing infrastructure? How do we make sure we reduce risk in terms of our implementation? And how do we guarantee member experience and improvements in member experience as we go through the transition? And so our intelligent virtual assistant has a name. She's called Ivy. And so Ivy picks up all of our calls, understands the customer sentiment, directs all the calls to where they need to go to, and self-serves our members with a greater impact than we could ever do with menu-driven.
It really helps us get insights into the calls that members are calling us about so that we can provide and build self-service journeys for them in the future. We've also been able to measure our digital self-service rate, and that allows us to measure our success for building these tools in the future as well. In addition to that, we've also shortened our resolution time. When you get to a teammate, what it allows is the teammate to focus on resolving the problem rather than asking the mundane questions of who you are and what you're calling about. They have all that information in front of them so that they can dig right in. At HealthEquity, as we look to the future for our remarkable experience journey, we have a trusted partner in Presidio to help us guide the way.